Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I want to update to WordPress 5.4, but I get this issue because my previous update failed. And let me show you right now in this video how to fix this. So first of all, I will show you that the method is real simple. You only need to install a plugin. So let me show you. This is the plugin. It is called Fix Another Update in Progress. This is the link. I will link in this video's description the URL where you will be able to find this plugin. So let's download it now, save it locally, and simply install it. Go to plugins, add new, upload plugin, choose file, go to the zip file to download it, click install now, activate the plugin, and now you will have to go to settings and fix another update in progress, and here you will have to click the button that will be shown here, and you are done. You will be able to update WordPress once again without issues now. So let's go to dashboard updates and hit update now, and the update will be rolling correctly this time. So this is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar content, and hit also the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video to this channel. And yeah, this is all for now. Stay awesome. Have a great day. Bye bye.